Okay, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live video for the property in front of us. I'm today on Brixham Road in Reading, and I'm just going to slowly turn around just to give you an idea of the area. So for those of you that know, we're in South Reading. Just behind the houses over here is Morrison's supermarket as well. So we're right down towards the Basingstoke Road, and just down to the end of the road, the bus into Reading Town Centre as well on a fairly regular basis. If you were to walk to the end and then walk up to Northumberland Avenue, there's a 24-hour bus into the Reading Town Centre. But the house I'm here to show you today is this one in front of me. So without further ado, come on in and I'll show you around. So with this being a live video, feel free to ask questions. It will show up on here and I will do my best to answer those. And if you would like to have a private viewing of this property, please do let me know and we can get that arranged for you. So as we head up the drive, you've got certainly driveway parking for one car, and it's whether or not you were to pave this other part here to make it for two. Good security door coming on in. So this is a no chain property. Unfortunately, the person that owned it passed away and the family have decided that they are going to sell. And what that means is that it's a great opportunity for out there. Oh, so private viewing requests already coming in, so thank you very much. So from the front door, we're into the welcoming hallway, and I'm going to show you the front reception room here. I'm very sorry about the reception. I think potentially with it being an empty property, my voice does echo a wee bit more. Please try and bear with us. So this is the front reception room with the boiler, sorry, not the boiler, the fireplace on this one here. And you've got some lovely bay window to the front, double glazed windows, which is fantastic, overlooking here, just giving you an idea of the size. It's a lovely hardwood floor as well. It is an electric fireplace as well. There is a gas connection there if you wanted to put a gas line in, a gas fireplace in, you could do. I'm going to take you into the bathroom. So it's a downstairs bathroom in here, and what the owners have done is they took the bath out and put in this shower, and there's the shower screen just here. Although it did used to have a glass door which you could soon put back in. So very good quality bathroom, certainly has everything in there that you need, and there's an extractor fan and window from here. Heated towel rail as well to save space. Now we're coming through to the kitchen and into the conservatory, and it's been done really well. This is probably one of my favourite rooms in the house. This lovely solid oak worktop on here as well. Gas hob, showing you that there with the extractor fan, and then we've got the built-in Zanussi, so high quality brand here, microwave oven, and then we've got space. Lots of storage, spice racks and things like that. Modern looking sink, and then lots of drawer space and cupboards. There isn't a fridge freezer in this part here. Now the owner used to have it in this corner. There's also connections there if you wanted a washing machine or dishwasher, something like that. You've got that there. But it's a lovely tiled room, and then you've got what used to be a window and the door, but now we're into this conservatory, orangery part here, Lovely windows throughout. There's a gas rad heater as well, and it certainly doesn't feel cold. I'm just going to show you the ceiling as well. So it's this, it is behind the blinds, but it is all glass up there. You've got electrics in this room as well. And then we're out to your private and low maintenance rear garden. So come on out. I'm just going to stand to the side, just give you an idea of the garden space as well. Coming on through, so we've got the shed down the end and then the greenhouse as well. It's all laid to paving slab as well. So it's this lovely low maintenance garden, and just showing you the rear again. Hello to those that have joined us as well. And again, the private inspections coming through, so that we will take care of that as well. So walking back down, so there's the window from the bathroom and your drains. Now heading back in, and I tell you, you wouldn't realise that you're one road away from Basingstoke Road, which is quite a main road in Reading. It's lovely and quiet around here, which is fantastic. I mean, this is being done at 1 o'clock in the afternoon during the week, so maybe traffic is a little bit lighter, but the good quality double glazing certainly makes it nice and quiet. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on up, show you these 3 bedrooms. So I'll start off with the smallest room, which is this bedroom on the right hand side. So we'll head into here. So this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. Just going to stand on the edge just to a single room, maybe a home office, window out over the back garden, and again just standing in this other corner to give you an idea. And there you can see, from here you can see the glass roof for your conservatory. Really nice space, would make a great, as I said, single bed, home office or nursery. This here is bedroom 2, so the room straight ahead of us at the top of the stairs. So this is bedroom 2. So there's a wardrobe here. It's not fitted, it is loose. To answer your question, unfortunately not. There is no toilet upstairs. This is your airing cupboard, so your hot water tank and boiler. It's a glowworm boiler as well. So nice good brand, regularly looked after as well. So this one here, very slightly larger. You're very welcome. Very slightly larger than the other one. And again, sort of overlooking the garden, good size. And the owners have, or the people asking to sell, have gone round and given it a lick of paint as well. So it's lovely white walls. So it's ready to go. It's ready to move in. Very little work needed. Now, this is the main room. This is a really good size main bedroom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stand down in the corner and turn, and there we are. So I'll give you an impression of the size of the room. It is really quite a large main bedroom. Space here, you can see where the plug sockets are, where the bed would traditionally go, I suppose. You've got this recessed area here in this corner, maybe for a wardrobe. But then you've got these large windows, lets lots of light in. The gas rad by there, looking out over the road. A vanity table in the corner there. Now, whether or not you've got the space there and the pipe work, whether or not you could add a bathroom in or a small toilet, something like that, you'd have to speak to a designer, an architect, but certainly you've got space up here. The boiler was in the second bedroom. I'll head back in and show you that in just a second. But this is the main room. Lovely fan light at the top here. Really good space. Yeah, certainly nothing little bit of decor in here maybe, but apart from that there's nothing. The boiler wise, I'll just show you the cupboard again. So here's your boiler. And your hot water tank. And this is in bedroom number 2. Okay. So there's your boiler there. So you do have an attic space, which is up here. Now, unfortunately, I don't have access to the attic, but certainly from looking at the angle in the roof here on the ceiling, would probably indicate that it's more of a storage space than a let's develop into space. So I don't think you'd be able to create another floor, I'm afraid. But certainly a good area to put your suitcases, Christmas trees, those sort of things, naughty children, all of that could be hidden away up there. And that's the house, ladies and gentlemen. Not a lot else to show you in here, I'm afraid. But it is a lovely property, and it would make someone a fantastic home. It would make a great investment based on the fact that we're close to Reading town centre and the likes. So yeah, any other questions, feel free to get them through to me, and I'll be sure to answer those. For all of those that are watching, I want to thank you very much for joining me, and we will be in touch in regards to those private viewings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign off, so take care. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Oh, the front room, yeah, certainly I will. Let me just come back through on here. So here's the front room again. So the front reception room, and again, apologies for the echo. It's because there's no furniture in on this one here. Really nice size. Little bay window at the front lets so much light in. It's a lovely bright room. It is a nice bright day as well, which obviously helps. And it's an electric fireplace as well. You want to see the front? No problem. So what we'll do, we'll head on out. And we have the driveway here. And if I just turn back round, and this is the front of the house here. There we are. So you've got driveway parking for one car, and as I said at the start, whether or not you paved, there's grass area here to create a second space. And I've just had a request to show the kitchen again, so I will do that again. So here's the kitchen. Let me just turn the light on. There we are. So here we are. So this lovely kitchen, lovely solid wooden tops, gas hob, Zanussi microwave oven, and then storage drawers, and a nice stainless steel sink as well. The washing machine and the fridge, so you've got pipework just here in this corner for your water connection. So your washing machine, I suppose, would go here, and then the fridge next to it. Alternatively, you might need to sacrifice a cupboard space somewhere, maybe here. You sacrifice this cupboard if you wanted to build in a washing machine, something like that. Okay, so I want to thank you guys for joining me, and we will be in touch in regards to the private viewings. Any other questions, do feel free to get in touch. I want to thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.